All right, just got my shipment of Musk and Hustle in, and I must say, just packaging, the packaging is A+. I mean, it looks great. This is exactly what it looked like when I opened it before. Neat little sticker there. They got their own paper, Musk and Hustle, and then they even write you a personalized note, "Happy Holidays," with your name on it. They really go above and beyond here. It's a little sack if you don't buy the. I bought the kits, and this is. Look at the. I mean, it's even holographic labels on here. That's the women's stubbies. This is the men's. Just super neat packaging and labels. I give you cards that tell you about the scents that you have in here. They're very thick and they're two-sided, so the front tells you what number you got and the back tells you all about that particular scent. And then you get one of these that tells you, the longevity, the strength, the temperature, when you should wear it. Even have how to make it last and whether you're happy or not to contact them. And I mean, it's just really, this is for the women. I mean, they really went above and beyond. Another one of those cards. So that's how it looked, when you first open it. And then the boxes in here, this is what they call the stubbies. So they're basically for samplers, so you can see which scents you like. And this is what it looks like when you open that up. This is the women's, I believe. Yeah, this is the women's one. Let me open. So when you open this up, you get all these little, almost like pogs. I guess I'm showing my age there, but they're almost like pogs, and they're double-sided, and it gives you all kinds of information on each one of these. Where to put your cologne or perfume. This one explains the different numbers and what they correlate to. It's telling you about the sizes they sell. I mean, their packaging is super neat. These are smaller than I expected. You can see for reference how small they are. They're much smaller than I expected, but I think still that it's very well worth it. They say that this, because of the roller ball, I haven't opened any of these. I haven't smelled them. I haven't opened the top on any of them. Let me do that real quick. So they have a stainless steel ball bearing in the top, and because of the way they go on and not spray, this little vial will last at least a week. Let me smell this real quick. This is number 43. I don't know what that's supposed to correlate, and this is the women's. I don't know, but it smells amazing. Okay, so anyway, that's the way that's packaged and what it looks like when you open it. This one here is the men's. It's the same exact way, just the men's scents. And then this here is the extra that I ordered. I just ordered a couple of extra stubbies. Okay, so here these are after I got them out of the bag they come in. It's a really neat little sack. Anyway, here's the 4 stubbies I ordered and the cards that correlate with them. A lot of y'all, if you know anything about Musk and Hustle, will know what this is. If not, you're probably going to want to order it. It's a Venice Creed. everybody swears that the Musk and Hustle version of this is at least as good as the original, and the original is supposedly amazing. I personally have never smelled it before, but I've heard so much about it that I had to try it. I ordered a 252, which is a spice bomb I've heard a lot about, a 98, which is the Versace, I don't even know how to spell that, Euros, or say that, I mean. And then the wood, Tom Ford wood. So, and here's those 4. Now, I did notice there was an extra one kicking around in there, and it just seems that they sent me an extra one. And this is Limeo Popeye Alfreche, or something probably nowhere close to that. But anyway, that's 170. That they just threw that in. So, of course, I want to smell this 24 first because it's supposedly amazing, and everybody says it'll be your new favorite. So, let's see about that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I definitely like that. That's good. 252. Sorry for the horrible video quality. I do not have a tripod with me right now. Man, I mean, all of these smell great. Anyway, guys, that's what this is going to look like when you get it. That's 252. That goes there. So, the packaging is amazing. The smells are amazing. And one of the things that you'll notice with Musk and Hustle is that they are oil-based. So they will last for hours upon hours, some of them even all day. And I've heard some people saying that they had to wash the scent off before they could add another one because it lasted that long. They were talking about into the next morning. So, of course, that depends on which scent you're using. Some scents are stronger than others, but they are all oil-based. I've not worn them for any amount of time. I just opened them up and smelled them so far. But man, so far, A+ to Musk and Hustle all the way around. Their packaging was amazing. Shipping was fast. Just the little extras, that they throw in, like throwing in the extra cologne there, and the little reusable bags. They come in reusable tins, the little stubbies do. The sticker and the personal note. And also on their website, they sell neat stuff that goes with this. Like for the full-size cologne, you can get a hand-stitched leather, like a carry thing that comes with their logo on it. I mean, it's really, so far, I love this company. Now, like I say, I haven't worn these for any amount of time. So as far as that goes, I can't speak to that. But so far, A+, and I will definitely do an update video after I have had time to wear these and let you know how that goes. So I got all of this for basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this up and I'm going to use it as stocking stuffers. I think it's a really, really neat idea for Christmas for stocking stuffers, or, if you wanted to get somebody a couple of them or even a whole container of them for like a birthday or something, because they do smell very similar to the originals. And from what I'm told, now I have not smelled the originals, so I can't tell you as far as that goes, but a lot of people, like all the reviews I read, say that. No bad reviews that I've read, except for one that said that the scent didn't last that long, and everybody else was saying it did. So, there's just always that one guy, I guess. But the scents smell amazing. Whether they smell like the original or not, they smell amazing. But I'm going to divide these up. I'm going to put them in the stockings, and that way people can see what they like and what they don't like. And, you know, if they want to trade or whatever, and that's fine. We'll have a lot of people here, obviously, because there's 12 in each one of these, and then I got 5 of those. So there'll be a lot of people here. We're going to put multiple in each stocking and let people trade around and see what they like. I just want to add, Musk and Hustle has no idea who I am. They have no idea that I have a YouTube channel, nor that they were going to be on it. They did not send me this for free. I spent my own money on this. There is no kind of paid advertisement or, you know, I have no deal with them at all. They don't even know who I am. So, anyway, if y'all like this content, please give us a like. If you like our channel, please subscribe to us so you can see more content coming out. And we appreciate all the support.